Hello guys, let me introduce myself. My name is Marsha Ragu Saputra. I am the third grade of TKR1 in Vocational High School, number 1 Penukal. I want to tell you my story about fishing. I went fishing with my friend. We saw a lot of fish and mal friend, and I continued story well han an obstacle on the round namel and plan tir and wen de cito pante tire an lonstar story the fishing activities was over. We continued to go home. I say thank you.